We just picked up our bro. And what do you have here, bro? Okay.
Basket.
Oh, thank you so much. Look at that. How am I looking? Kese? Professional here now. Very nice. And we're going out to a Hindu temple right now, which is usually Sunken. And that's why we have you, bro. He's the one who led us here. So thank you so much, Faisal. We're here. We are going across to an old Shiva temple, which is sunken most of the year. We're going to take this boat, and I can actually see the temple from here. There is no water, so we can actually get there during winters. Rest of the year, the kind of top sticks out of the water. And I'll tell you why it's sunken once we get across there, okay?
Welcome to the boat.
Thank you. Thank you, Adeela. I've got my jacket on. This is my jacket, Adeela. This is your second Hindu temple for the day.
Yeah.
Jai Bole Ki. That's what we're going to say. Because it's a Shiva temple. Jai Bole Ki.
Jai Bole Ki.
Say it. Say it. Here we are, we landed. Got the boat all the way from over there where the sun's shining. Welcome to Old Mirpur.
Yes, welcome to Old Mirpur.
I can't believe we made it here. This is an old Shiv temple behind me. Because this entire area, it used to be like 280 different villages all around here. But in the 60s, they shifted everybody out over to this side. A lot of people left to England. They were given special jobs from the British government and the Pakistani government, an initiative. And so everyone was moved out here so they could extend the dam here and build the dam here. So now most of the year it's covered in water. The temple's submerged. There's also a mosque over here which is totally submerged as well. There's a Gurudwara here which is submerged. And yeah, this is literally Old Mirpur, where 100,000 people used to live in villages, but now there's no one. There's just water and the ground and rocks. We're walking on what is the waterbed most of the year now. So that's why this temple is now a sunken Shiva temple. This would have been the gateway here. This would have led you into the temple here. Let's go inside and have a look. It's in the condition is amazing considering it's so many hundreds of years old and it's been underwater for, I don't know, 60 or 70 years now, since 1965 or so. We come through here. This is where the shrine would have been, or the deity or the god. There may have been a Shiv lingam in here at some point as well. All the way up to the roof. We've got the dome. It's still there. Wow. What a special place. You know? And now on the side of the temple here, this is where the offerings to the god would have come and flowed out of. I'm just walking through Old Mirpur now and can see walls, can see gateways. There's a lot still here. And it's just ruins of something else. It's just bricks now. Maybe someone's house. What about down here? Who knows? But this is Old Mirpur, and the main thing standing is that mandir, still the temple, still there. Amazing, man, so amazing. Adeela just found what was a matka for storing water, an earthen pot.
See?
Yeah, they've decorated the rim of the matka there, and yeah, it's just for storing water. Man, there must be a treasure trove of ancient relics here around this temple especially. Incredible. How did you feel visiting the temple and seeing Old Mirpur?
I have kind of mixed emotions. I would say I'm happy. I'm thinking about the people who lived here. They had to leave their houses and they went from here. Kind of mixed emotions.
Yeah, now everybody's
but happy. Eventually, I'm very happy, and thank you so much.
No, it's okay.
It's because of you I've came here. Like, I'm living on the edge, and I've never been to this place. Yeah.
So much history here, right?
Yeah, so much history.
Yeah, people are now living in New Mirpur, and they're living in England mainly. Majority, 70% of England's Pakistani population is actually from here, from Mirpur. They're literally from this area now, which is underwater, but it's just so cool to be here. Thank you for everything, man. Thank you for showing me around today and for being so hospitable, and you and your mum are amazing, like incredible people. So
thank you so much.
Best email I ever got, probably, from Adeela. That was the one. And look at what happened. Now we visited 2 Hindu temples in one day.
Yeah.
Incredible. Dosto, if you enjoyed Mirpur, it is all because of Adeela. So please go across to her channel and leave a thank you message there. Thank you so much for your hospitality, Adeela.